Hi everyone and welcome to It's Elementary STEM videos with the Eden Public Library. Today we're going to be making crash test cars. If you pick up the kit from the library, you're going to find 4 wheels, a couple of straws, 2 dowels to act as axles. They are 1/8 inch dowels, a plastic egg, some wooden cubes, rubber band, cup to put your egg in, as well as some tape and a few craft sticks. Now, today's project is pretty much free form. You can design your crash test car any way that you would like, but there are a couple of rules. First rule is your egg has to be able to travel in your car safely. In other words, it can't just simply fly out of your car. Second, you can't simply tape your egg down into your car, nor can you simply bubble wrap it around with something. Just like a real person, your egg has to be able to get in and out of your car easily. In my case, I have a little seatbelt. Your egg has to be able to get in and out of your car and would have to be able to see, just like a real person would. Also, you might want to protect your egg in case of a rollover. So you might need to add a roll bar or something like that. But aside from that, your egg has to be able to get in and out of the car, has to be able to see, and has to not crack when it or pop out of the seat when your car crashes. So this week's project is a simulation of actual crash tests that are done by scientists when they test a new car to see how safe it is. So we're going to go ahead and get started. To make your crash test car, you're going to need some tape, some craft sticks, some wheels, some axles, and some other various supplies. If you pick up the kit from the library, you'll have the things you see here plus some craft sticks. First thing you're going to want to do is affix your cup to your base. You can either make a base out of craft sticks or use the provided cardboard. Tape the cup down or use glue. Make sure your egg fits in it. If you want to add some realism, you can add some weight to your egg by placing some of the wooden cubes in it. To make your axles, take a straw and cut them. Tape the straw to the bottom of your base of your car. And then you're going to want to insert your wooden dowel and the wheel that's on the end of it. Make sure the wheel spins. You may need to add some tape to the end of the axle in order to prevent the wheels from sliding off. This will depend upon the thickness of the wooden dowel. Add a second axle so that your car has 4 wheels. At this point, you're going to want to start creating some crash bumpers. You can design anything that you want in order to do this. As you can see, I'm going to add some to the front. But consider a side impact or a rollover incident. A crash bumper is anything that will absorb energy in the event of a crash. Straws make great bumpers. But feel free to use any other supplies that you would like. You might also want to add something like a seat belt. Remember that your egg has to be able to get in and out of the car easily, so you can't simply wrap it in bubble wrap. Add additional protections to protect your car in the event of any other unfortunate incidents. We don't want our egg cracking. As you can see, I'm just taping mine in place. Once you think your car is done, you're going to want to test it. To test your car, simply set up a ramp with a firm object at the bottom, put your car at the top of the ramp, and let fly.